Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a league in Fantasy Premier League. So first, for that, you need to set up your FPL team. Before creating a league, ensure that you have registered and set up your team within the FPL app. If you haven't already, you need the app will prompt you to pick and name your team first. So click on the fantasy button from the bottom, which is between latest and season. Now you'll get the section of leagues and cup. Here, click on configure leagues with the gear icon. Go ahead and select it. Now this will open a new menu from where you can go ahead and create a new league or join a league or renew your leagues. So let's go ahead and create a new league. So click on the plus icon right here. Click on create a league and cup. Now enter the name here. Also select the scoring stats. Then click on create league option and you'll be done. You also have the option to join a league. If you click on this option right here, you have two different options to join, which is join the invitational league and cup or join a public league. Or under leagues option, if you click on this plus icon with the join a league option, you'll get two different options, which is private and public. To create your own private league, you can choose the private option and you'll be prompted to confirm the creation of the league. And after creation, you can invite others to join. But if you want to go ahead and create a public league, click on public. And here you need to enter the required details for your league, including its name, and then tap on create to finalize your public league. Remember that you can join up to 15 private leagues and 3 public leagues. To join an existing private league, you'll need a code provided by the league administrator or a direct link. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.